Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a 2007 and a 2008 Tru Tech TT-8500. This machine comes with a TT-5000 5-inch precision grinding unit, a manual pulse generator, intuitive pick and place programming, Plunge, peel, in-feed and through-feed grinding capability, ultra precision spindle, quick setup. As usual, I'll list more specs in the description below so we can jump right into it. Well, there you have it, our 2007 and 2008 Tru Tech TT-8500s. If you have any more questions, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.